Welcome back to Tactical Exploitation. Today I brought you this exciting product from Joy Room. This is retractable car charger, 69 watt of car charger USB-C. Wow, look at the quality of this. Reveals a beautiful shiny surface. It comes with 2.4 amp of lightning cable for iPhone. This is a PD 30 watt charger for USB-C for Apple iPhones and all the Android devices. And you can use the cable 3 amp for USB-C and the USB-A 2.4 amp. And you just plug that in to a cigarette adapter. They pull and hold the cable, gently extend 1 centimeter more, then release for the automatic. Pull it, and that's it. It will remain there, and pull more to have it retracted in. This is #1 smallest retractable car charger, 60% smaller than the competition product. And again, this gives you 31.5 inches of retractable cable. That's so long. So again, let's pull it. It goes in smoothly. Very easy to organize inside your car. Overall gives you the 69 watt of power. This provides 4 ports for fast charging car charger. You need this accessory if you are traveling with your family because one device can support all 4 devices and charge it up. The height is 5.11 inches. The depth is 1.46 inches. Length is 1.77 inches. Only this part is 2.08 inches. The cigarette adapter area is 3.03 inches. So again, this moves around for angled ports. Inside my car, blue light turns on in here. USB-C. Nice cable extension. It charges immediately. Then we can plug in the USB-A, the lightning cable to the AirPods. So at this moment, all 3